Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to tell you how to install Workbench where we actually execute SQL, and that is called as MySQL Workbench. And also we need SQL Server, so I am going to tell you how to do both the things. Now let me quickly start with MySQL Workbench download for Windows, because mine is a Windows system. So if you have an iOS system, just write iOS here. So it will take you to that place. Now for all the people who have Windows system, they can come to this page and then you need to see that Windows MSI installer. So just click on download. Now it's asking whether login or sign up, but you don't need to select any of these. Just click on no thanks. Just start my download. Now here is the download happening for my Workbench. Just click on this so that the setup will start installing on your system. Now click next. Automatically, you don't need to change anything. Click next, and then you want to actually completely install, so let it be complete, and then again next. There will be a pop-up which will come and you have to click yes, and then this process will start. So now let's wait for a couple of seconds. So meanwhile you can see that the MySQL Workbench 8.0 version is getting installed here. Now we will need, meanwhile it is installing. Okay, it's already done. So now it's saying that launch MySQL Server Workbench. So I'll click on the finish. Once you click finish, it will launch the Workbench. So this is the interface. This is how the MySQL Workbench interface looks like, where you actually can write your SQL code and you can get an output. Now here I have an existing system because I was using it earlier also. Let me delete that. So you will see some interface like this when you will come to this page. Now you just click on the plus symbol here. It will ask for a connection name. Let's say I give the connection name as Rajat. I just write Rajat, and then connection method will be same, TCP/IP, which is protocol. You don't need to change. Then parameters, SSL and advanced, all these things you just need to check on the parameter. Username is root. I'm okay with that. If you want to change it, you can do that. You can put again your own name. Then there is a password which says please enter the password for following server. So this is the server where my system is getting connected to. But before this, let me quickly show you one more thing. You have to go to your Google and type MySQL Server 9 free. This is the community edition for MySQL Server. Now you can see here. So that was the interface which we have downloaded, right guys? Now we need a server also. Let me scroll through, and you just need the MSI installer, Windows 86 64-bit. So this is my SQL Server. I'll click on download again, and then no thanks, start the download. Now you can see I have the Workbench already installed, and when I minimize this, I can see that my server also has been installed. I'll click on that, and then next, and then I accept the license agreement, next, and then automatically choose the complete one and then install. So now you'll have a SQL Server also installed. You'll get a pop-up. Click on yes. SQL Server is installing. Run my SQL Server configure. Yes, again pop-up will come and you just need to click yes. Next. You can see your directory, right? It's in MySQL and then MySQL Server 9.2. Next. And here you can see the port, protocol, all those things. You don't need to change anything. Then click again next. And this is the MySQL root password. So you can choose a password here. Let's say I keep password as a 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Again repeat password 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So this is a simple password. It's saying that it's weak. So maybe what I'll do, after 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, I'll put R. And again R. Now it's saying weak, but that's okay because I'll use it for myself only. Similarly, you can put your own password, then click on next. Again next. Then these two databases, select them and maybe create next, then execute. So it's basically creating an environment for you on the backend so that your workbench can connect to the SQL server and you can easily execute the codes. So meanwhile it is happening, it takes couple of seconds, especially on the server creation part. It will not take more than 1 or 2 minutes, guys. Couple of seconds means couple of seconds. So now next, okay, and finish. So you have the SQL server already set up in your system. Now just go to the workbench. This is my workbench, okay. Now I'll click on this plus symbol. Here I'll create a connection name and the connection name is, let's say, Rajat. Nothing else I will change. I will just click on OK. I click on this. It's asking for my root password. What is my root password? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and R. That's it. You are all set for your workbench. So this was very easy, guys. I hope you are very clear with this. That's why I made this small video, and this is a simplest video on internet which can tell you to install a SQL workbench. Now you have a SQL MySQL workbench. Simply you can write anything, you can do anything now on this, but all those things maybe I will show you in the next video. Today's video was fully focused on the installation. So I'll see you in the next video. If you like this video, please hit the like button. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much. I'll see you in the next video. All the best, guys.